Hello, my name is Taufik Surya Fatamurodi. I'm from class 70.5A.26. My name 70 to 30 to 83. A deep dive into computer architecture, hardware, OS, and software. Hardware, the physical foundation and architecture. Number 1, core definition and system component. Point 1, defining hardware as the electromechanical and electronic component of computer system. Point 2, classification of hardware into processing, storage, input, and output units. Number 2, the central processing unit or CPU. Point 1, detailed breakdown of the fake decode execute cycle. Point 2, comparing contemporary CPU architecture CISC or complex instruction set computer versus RISC reduced instruction set computer. Point 3, exploring multi-threading and hyper-threading technology for parallel processing. Number 3, memory and storage subsystem. Point 1, RAM technologies, deep dive into the RAM, RAM, and the evolution of DDR or double data rate standard. Point 2, DCIO performance, factoring affecting storage speed including SIG and controller interface. Point 3, the role of firmware in installing the hardware. Number 4, interconnection and bus system. Point 1, the concept of bandwidth and latency in system performance. Point 2, detailed look at high-speed communication standard PCI Express generation and their impact on graphic and storage. Point 3, the function of the chipset in managing data flow. Number 1, peripherals and interface standard. Point 1, understanding the protocol and speed of modern universal interface like USB 3.x, USB 4, and Thunderbolt. The critical role of device drivers in translating OS request to hardware command. Operation system resource orchestrator. Number 1, defining the operation system layer. Point 1, the OS as the mandatory abstraction layer between application and physical hardware. Point 2, analyzing the trade monolithic kernels versus microkernels in terms of performance and stability. Number 2, advanced process management. Detailed visualization of the process state transitions diagram. Point 2, in-depth look at CPU's scheduling algorithms. Point 3, handling deadlocks or condition and prevent avoidance technique. Number 3, sophisticated memory management technique. Point 1, implementing virtual memory through paging. Point 2, the concept of the translation look aside buffer for acceleration address translation. Point 3, addressing, tracing, and managing the page fault frequency. Number 4, file system, and I/O subsystem. Point 1, modern file system feature, journaling, and snapshot. Point 2, disk schedule algorithms for optimizing read-write performance. Number 5, security and virtualization. Point 1, implementation of the ring architecture for protection. Point 2, introducing the concept of hypervisor and its role in modern virtualization. Software, the instruction set and development life cycle. Number 1, detailed software taxonomy. Point 1, system development software, the critical function of preprocessors, compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and linkers in transforming source code into machine code. Point 2, middleware, defining software that connect disparate application. Number 2, software architecture and design pattern. Point 1, discussing common architectural patterns. Number 2, the role of design patterns in structure programming. Number 3, programming language paradigm. Point 1, comparing fundamental approach imperative versus declarative programming. Point 2, the significance of object-oriented programming concept. Number 4, software quality and testing. Overview of the software development life cycle. Point 2, types of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Number 5, application programming interface. Point 1, in API as a standard contract for inter-software communication. Point 2, exploring API style, RESTful API versus SOAP and their use in distributed system. Conclusion, the integrated digital ecosystem. Number 1, the hierarchical dependency model. Point 1, emphasizing that performance bottleneck can occur at any layer. Number 2, illustrating how a single user command traverses an entire stack. Feature, direction, and convergence. Point 1, the impact of edge computing on traditional client-server models. Point 2, how containerization is changing the relationship between the application and the operating system. Thank you.